How to sync older messages in WhatsApp web. So if you want to sync your older messages in WhatsApp web, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply search for WhatsApp application, or you can also go with your browser. But if you have WhatsApp web application, then it's better. So go with WhatsApp web, make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. And from the profile, you need to scroll down and then go with settings. And under settings, you need to go with chat settings. Now, under chat settings, you will have an option of chat history. If you're using the application, then you will find the option. So under chats, you can go with chat history. And under chat history, if you see synced with your phone, it means that you have synced all of your older messages in your WhatsApp web. But if it doesn't say synced or something like that, then you can just simply go with the sync button. Go ahead and click it, and it's going to sync everything. So it's pretty simple. Go to your settings and go with chats, and under chat history, it's going to say sync now. Just tap on sync now, and all of your older messages will be synced to your WhatsApp web. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.